Hi, it's Cindy with Body Fit Physical Therapy. Just want to go over a couple quick things that you can do to help with your quads, especially pre-workout. I really like to roll out my quads a lot. Getting on the foam roller doesn't have to be this long. Putting that just above your kneecaps, so don't go over your kneecaps. Get on your elbows and then just roll out. Might as well do two at the same time. And then you can change the angle by kind of rolling your knees in towards each other and keep them straight, pointing down, or kind of roll your knees out. Doing that for a few minutes. You can stop and kind of do a little lighter, smaller oscillations on an area, or just do these kind of big sweeps. You can also kind of anchor on one spot if you have a tender spot. Very gently bending the knee over that spot will help too. And then I always say after you foam roll, go into a stretch. So a couple easy stretches for quads, your simple ones. You can be lying down or standing. Just bring the leg behind you. A little bit more advanced one is bring one leg in front, and then you're going to grab that back leg and let your trunk rotate out, and then holding that stretch. All stretches you hold for about 30 seconds at least, up to a minute or so. And you can do 3, 4, 5 on each side.